I have these 5 odds for you and also 2 odds for today. So let's get started. The first game we have today is a game in the Japan Accord where Kawasaki Frontier is taking on Aita Trinita. And my prediction is 1 to 3 goals for the home team. There's multiple goals, 1 to 3 goals. Then the next one we have is a game in the Champions League qualifier where FC Odabasi is taking on Patrol Cup N60, and my prediction is home team not to score 3 goals in a row or more goals. So I have different options for today game. So pay attention carefully and then use the booking code at the end of the day to play this game for easier access. So welcome to Moneyline once again, and I'm using backup page for today's prediction. So go ahead and follow the backup page, and then also like the video, comment where you are watching us from. If you comment I'm interested in the comment section, I will send you a booking code for today's to also and also other predictions that are available. So comment I'm interested in the comment section on our backup page. I will forward the details to you via your inbox. Okay guys, furthermore we have other games here still in that Europa qualifier where Frola Tallinn is taking on NK Siege, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals for the away team. The next one we have is a game still in that same league, a game between FK Rigas taking on Len FC, and my prediction here is a home team not to score 3 goals or more goals in a row. Then again between Slavan Bratislava taking on Struga, my prediction is home team not to score 3 goals in a row or more goals. Still in that same league, we have a game between KI Catholic taking on FC Difa Dings, and my prediction here is home team not to score 3 goals or more goals in a row. Moving on, we have another game between Loda Group taking on FC Dynamo, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals for the home team. The next one we have, which is the last game on this ticket, is a game between FC Borak Banja taking on KF Ignatia, and my prediction here is 1 to 3 goals for the home team, which is multiple goals for the home team. And then that rounds up this prediction. So if you are interested in our premium 2 odds for today, kindly comment I'm interested in the comment section and then like this video. Then I will send you a booking code for that game straight to your inbox. Okay guys, if you are watching us from YouTube, kindly say I'm interested in the comment section, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, and then we'll be giving you short games on daily basis throughout this uh, international break. And then furthermore, when the new season resume, we'll be continue to give you short predictions. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet for this verified odds. So as I said earlier, if you're interested in our premium 2 odds for today, say I'm interested in the comment section. I will forward it to you. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you guys after the game. Don't forget that we have a premium VIP service that provides you sure games on daily basis. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. So chat me up on WhatsApp and then I will forward the details to you on how to join. Thank you so much once again, and bet responsibly.